guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Grace, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you how I created this makeup look. There you go. It's a very easy makeup look. It's very complimentary for all the brown skin like me. So if you wanna see how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start. I will be priming my face using this Rimmel Fix and Perfect Makeup Primer. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to apply this on the center of my face. This primer is actually really good, guys. I used to love this primer years ago. Okay, next for foundation, I will be using this MAC Pro Longwear foundation, and I am in the shade NC42. For concealer, guys, I will be using this MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and this is in the shade NC35. I'm also going to blend this concealer on my eyelids, guys, to prime my eyes. Okay, next I'm going to set my face using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Light Medium. Okay, so next I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be back. Hi guys, I am back and I'm done with my eyebrows. So the product that I use for my eyebrows is this one. This is the Anastasia Brow Pomade, and I am in a shade dark brown. Next, I'm going to apply some eyeshadows. This is the Morphe 3502 palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It's very warm. So first, I'm going to warm up my crease using this shade. Okay, next I'm going to take this shade and apply it on my outer V and also on my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade and apply it on my eyelids. Okay, next I'm going back with this shade and just apply a little bit more on my outer V and also on my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade and apply it on my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking this shade and apply it on my inner corner. I'm also going to apply this shade on my brow bone. Okay, next I'm going to apply black eyeliner on my waterline. I'm also going to create a wing, guys. Okay, next I'm going to apply my false lashes and I'll be back. Hi guys, I am back. So next I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lashes. Next I'm going to apply bronzer. Today I will be using this one. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And this is in the shade Deep Bronzer. This is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to apply blush. I will be using this Ofra blush slash bronzer, and this is in a shade Format. I haven't actually tried this, so this is what it looks like. It has a shimmer on it, and so this is what the blush looks like. Okay, next, my favorite part, highlights. I will be using these dull light highlights, and this is in a shade Shine Bright. So this is what it looks like. Okay, finally, the lips. I will be using this Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick, and this is in a shade Leo. So this is what it looks like. That's it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this look that we created today. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.